chicken farmer went out one cold and windy night. He had a bad feeling something wasn't right. Suddenly a giant chicken hit him right in the eye. It was the sight he dreaded. Ghost chickens in the sky. The farmer had raised chickens since he was 24, all working for the colonel for 30 years or more, killing all those chickens and sending them to fry. Now it's payback time for ghost chickens in the sky. Their beaks were black and shiny, their eyes were burning red. They had no meat or feathers, these chickens were dead. They picked the farmer up and he died by the claw. They cooked him extra crispy and ate him with coleslaw. Everybody! The moral of this story, be careful who you eat, 'cause there's no more painful death than to be rotisserie. Please go have a burger and pass the colonel by, and maybe you'll survive. Ghost chickens in the sky. Everybody! Ghost chickens in